Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about why your Frigidaire refrigerator is not getting cold. Let's get started. Here are some of the reasons why your refrigerator is not getting cold. Dirty condenser coils. The condenser coils remove heat from the refrigerant. Dirt and debris on the condenser coils will hinder the proper dissipation of heat. The refrigerator works harder to cool down as the dirt piles on the coils. Overloaded refrigerator. Refrigerators stay cool by circulating air uniformly throughout it. However, the airflow is blocked when you fill your refrigerator with food. This will prevent the uniform circulation of air in your refrigerator. Damaged or dirty door seal. A door seal is a rubber seal that goes along the refrigerator's door and keeps it airtight when closed. Wear and tear or dirt buildup may occur over time, creating gaps that allow cold air to escape and warm air to enter. What should you do when your refrigerator is not getting cold? Clean the condenser coils. Unplug the refrigerator from the power supply. Remove the grill at the back to locate the coils. Use a vacuum hose to clean the dirt buildup on the coils. Use a soft brush to clean the debris left on the condenser coils. Use the vacuum to clean the remaining dust on the floor. Return the grill to position. Plug the refrigerator back in. Check the refrigerator after an hour to see if it is cooling. Reduce the load in the refrigerator. Remove all the food items and inspect the refrigerator for other problems. Locate the vents. Arrange your food items in the refrigerator space between them to allow cold air to circulate freely and maintain a consistent temperature. Ensure the food items do not block the vents. Ensure your refrigerator is between 70 and 85% full. Inspect the door seal. Check the door seal for any dirt or damage. Close the door and listen for a slight hiss after closing. Use a sponge and warm soapy water to clean a dirty door seal. Replace the damaged door seal. Soak the new door seal in hot water for flexibility. Thanks for watching.